In this video, we will create a simple Java program using IntelliJ IDEA. I will show you step by step what things we need to do while creating any application using IntelliJ IDEA. Then what is the meaning of the classes, methods, and how to run that application where we can check its output. So let's start. For this demo, I am using IntelliJ IDEA. You can use any, but steps will be same. Only you will find the option at different places. So this is my Spring Tool Suite IDE and I am clicking on File, New Project. Here on the left hand side we can see New Project, Empty Project. Then if you want to generate a project using Maven archetype, you can select Maven archetype. If you want to create a JavaFX project, that is a desktop application, you can use JavaFX. If you want Kotlin, then you can select other option. If you want to create any Android project, you can select the last Android option. So for this I am clicking on New Project. Then in the name field we need to provide name of the project. I am providing name as Demo Application. Location meaning is where you want to store your project. So my workspace location is in the E drive. There is one folder, workspace IntelliJ, and application name. Okay, so I provided demo application, so it's showing the same name. You can change if you want. Just click on the browse button and you can select any different location for your project. Now if you want to create a Git repository for this project, you can just simply check this checkbox. Okay, for this demo I'm not using Git. We will cover Git part in different video, so I'm just unchecking it. So which language you want to use to build this project? It is already showing different language option. Okay, Java, Kotlin, Groovy, HTML, or you can add also other language if you want to use. Then but for this demo we are going ahead with a Java. Then how you want to build a project using IntelliJ, or if you want to use any build tool, that is a Maven or Gradle, so you can choose that. So for this demo I'm going ahead with IntelliJ. Then next is the JDK part. So which JDK version you want to use to build this project? So in the drop down you will see list of JDK options. So currently JDK 1.8 and 11 are available, or I have installed this in my IntelliJ. If you want to use any other JDK, then you can download that JDK or add that JDK using these two options. Then that JDK will appear in the drop down. Just select that JDK and it will use that particular JDK version to build the project, to run the project. So currently I am going ahead with a Java 1.8 version. I have checked this checkbox. Okay, add sample code. Then in the advanced setting you can see what is our module name, then what is the content root, and then module file location. Then now I am clicking on the create button. So it's showing me demo application is already exist in the project. So I am just changing my name of the project. Once we change the name, we can see it's a respective location also got updated. Like in the workspace also it has updated demo application 1. Then module name also got updated. It has added one at the last. Now I am clicking on the create button. Then it is showing me whether I want to open this project in new window or this window. So I am selecting this window. We can see project is loaded in the project explorer. So left side part we call it as a project explorer. So this is the demo application 1. Then in src folder we can see there is a main class it has created, and it has added few keywords. What is a keyword we will see detail in next videos. So it has added public and class. If you want to create any class, then we need to use the class keyword, and in this class it has automatically created public static void main string argument, and it has used system.out.println. I will just take this particular line in new line so that it will be in a readable format. So what is meaning of public static void main? So for now you just consider that we want to, if you want to run any Java program, we have to use this structure, public static void main, then string arguments. So if we can make little changes in this, but it has some restriction. Whatever changes are allowed, only those changes we can make in the signature of this method. Otherwise compiler will not understand where is the public static void main method. This system.out.println, this line is used to print anything on the console, and whatever we want to print we can provide it in the brackets. In double quotes we have here it has written hello world, so it will be get printed in the output. Now how to run this program? To run it, just right click and you will find the run main method. This option will appear. Now I am clicking on it. Now here at the bottom you can see It has run java.exe, this is its location, and it has printed hello world, and the last line it is showing process finish with exit code 0. Exit code 0, it indicates that program has run successfully and there is no error. If it has printed other than 0, then it indicates that program has some errors. So like this you can run the program. Now I will just make changes in the string. Instead of hello world, I will print hello Java. Okay, and I will just rerun this program. I have saved it. You can save it using Ctrl S. Now again to run it, I am right clicking and selecting run method. Now here you can see it has printed hello Java. Now at the bottom, this window we call it as a output window. Here we can see the output of the program. Like this you can create any application in IntelliJ and run Java program. Now if you like this video, just hit on the like button, and to watch such similar videos just subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from us. If you want to learn Java, just message on this WhatsApp number and we will provide you all details about online Java classes.